Brace yourselves, Bathurst, for one huge smashfest night of mass destruction when B-Rock and Extreme Monster Trucks Australia present the all-new Fuchs Loyals Monster Family Spectacular. Bathurst Showgrounds Saturday May 15th from 5 p.m. Thrill to four of the world's greatest meanest monsters: Sampson USA, Raptors Rampage, Scooby and the legend Outback Thunda in awesome sky-wheelie car-crunching war on wheels. Two car-melting jet fans in a Meltdown Showdown. Defying Freestyle FMX. Holden vs Ford crazy crane drop at Bathurst's biggest fireworks Skyshow ever. One huge night not to miss out. MonsterTrucksAustralia.com, Saturday May 15. Be there.